I love magic maths because my Year 1 class are constantly engaged in their learning as a result of having all of their resources available on the carpet in their magic maths resource pouches.
I like magic maths because it makes me learn.
I love magic maths because it helps me to be more confident about sharing my strategies with the class.
As a teaching assistant, I love magic maths because I have noticed that children who never used to enjoy maths or found maths tricky now love it and have grown in confidence massively. It's also a great way to assess children's learning. Those children who are not there yet, I can always take them out for an extra misconception guided group.
I like magic maths because you get to do Just Do It, which helps exercise your brain for the subject you're learning.
I love magic maths because it allows the children to take ownership of their learning and it's fun and engaging.
I love magic maths because it helps me to be more confident to share what I've learnt to the class.
I've been so impressed with the quality of outcomes in the maths lessons that I've observed. The children are all engaged and motivated. There is no time for any off-task behaviour. I've been amazed at the amount of learning that takes place in a magic maths lesson. Every minute is maximised. It is also a great structure for new staff and students to follow.
I like magic maths because it helps me do more work.